Alright, today we're doing something a little different. I don't eat mac and cheese, just not something I've ever learned to eat. My mother didn't give it to me, so I don't get it. I got it from Big Lots. It was on sale for 50 cents. It's called Annie's Homegrown Organic Vegan Mac Elbow Rice Pasta and Sauce. And it's gluten-free. Gluten-free!
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Okay, some people think I don't make any gluten products. I just wanted to show you it was gluten-free. Anyway, so it's really easy directions. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Annie's way, you cook this pasta in 9 minutes. And on the bottom it says, we reduce our bunny footprint by using 100% recycled paper. This is recycled. And anyway, so a little bit different. Still vegan. It's basically comfort food. The difference is I'm going to add to it. See if I can, what this looks like in the camera. I'm going to add zucchini and yellow squash spirals. I paid $10.50 for these at Sam's Club. So you need to know they're not inexpensive, considering what they really are. You buy a squash for $3, and if you have a spiralizer, you can do this yourself. When it comes out, it looks like a ball like a bunch of strings. Of course, these are edible strings, and they are delicious. I've been eating this for the past 2 weeks, ever since I bought it, and I'm telling you, it's worth it. But it's much easier if you make it yourself, and I will be showing you some videos on how to do that soon. I'm also going to add, this is members marked as Sam's Club, and inside this bag are carrots. And they're usually white or like yellow and red and orange carrots. I'm going to add that to it too, because you know you can't be vegan to just eat these. This is a starch. You have to add vegetables to it to have a complete dinner. So here goes. Come and see how I do this, and you'll get to see how to do vegan mac with vegetables. Thank you. All right, we're going to start off by getting a regular saucepan, and you're going to pour in 6 cups of water into it. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to move to a stove top, and you're going to put this on high, and you're going to boil it. So we'll see you there. Now add 2 of the small spirals in the water. And add half a cup of just basic vegetables. Then take your package out of here, which is this one over here. Don't put that in yet. And put the noodles back in. Wait for this to boil back up again, and instantly after that, drop in the noodles in here. See them like this? Okay. So I'll just take a few minutes. It's amazing how the water stopped boiling as soon as I put in the cold vegetables. Now cook it for 7 to 9 minutes. Okay, so after you mix it all together like I've done here, then you can eat it. And it resembles a macaroni. Is it the same thing? I don't think it's quite the same thing as dairy macaroni and cheese, because dairy macaroni, of course, doesn't have any vegetables in it, like what I've done here. Something to think about. If you're something you want to try, something like comfort food you want to share with your family. I don't like giving negative conclusions. Can you make this taste decent? Well, it's not really like macaroni and cheese. It looks like this. The macaroni and cheese that were dairy products and loads of butter and everything else, sure, that stuff tastes good because it's all fat. And maybe that's what I remember. Tasting this macaroni cheese, it tasted more like chemicals to me. I mean, I lost maybe a cup worth of vegetables. That wasn't a total loss. But am I going to continue eating this? I'm not. I'm not going to feed it to my animals, and I'm not going to feed it to my family. So this isn't really a winner. Now it's possible that you can still make vegan macaroni cheese, but I don't know how yet. And as soon as I do, I'll record and give you another video on this. Maybe it's because it's gluten-free. I don't know. There's a lot of things to consider. So, but for 50 cents, if you had to feed your family and you had no choice and you wanted to stay as vegan as possible, you could probably make it work. Now, I didn't use any butter in this. I didn't use any oil. I went completely oilless and butterless, so I wanted to have the right experience. And it wasn't that delicious. It's very possible if I had used vegan butter and added oil to it like the instructions stated, that it might taste it better. So maybe that's part of the problem. Anyway, that's the review for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you soon in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.